Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm also going to update it forecasting gold next movement. I am in daily chart. You can see I am drawing trend line. So already create lower low to the downside and last week create retracement to the trend line. So I am using Fibonacci boost this movement, last week movement. Okay, I am forecasting next week this area. This is Fibonacci most viable area. This area should be reacted gold like this. Okay, gold should reacted to this area. I am forecasting green color area. You can see this area. Gold should retracement to the this area. I am in line chart to the for more clear picture. I am seeing this most famous pattern, Quasimodo pattern. It has a high lower low. This is QMM buy area also. So this area, this green color is areas for more powerful to gold reacted for created higher high area. This area like this retracement to this area and create higher high. This is my first forecasting gold movement in next week, and then I am thinking and forecasting this green color area price will not create a higher high. If price fails to clear higher high from this area like this, price fail and drop to from this area like this, price will drop to the below level. That's my second forecast in gold in next week. So I will hoping this area, I will marking this area is the most powerful area for enter the trend, enter for trade. If you enter the trade, before enter the trade you will get the confirmation from a smaller time frame and trade with proper lots size. Thank you very